Hey YouTube, I just wanted to upload a quick video here. I'm going to play some extra footage I had while us enjoying another day in West Virginia while I'm talking to get the video out faster. I want to let everyone know that the Subaru is smarter than the drivers. What I mean by that is the X mode and traction control system Subaru uses is very intelligent. I recently found a way to completely disable traction control. I'll show how I did that in a moment. But the traction control system is what keeps these cars moving forward, even if it can be a hindrance at times. I'm going to start off by showing a video now of my Outback climbing a moderate incline. Hopefully these angles show what's going on. It's always hard to show it on camera. I'm now going to do the same incline at a slower speed and try to crawl up the incline with the car. So from the video, the traction control system seems to be the limiting factor here as power is not getting to the ground. I pulled the stoplight fuse on the interior fuse panel. I had to do this while the car was running and while it was in drive for it to let me keep driving. It also caused the entire dashboard to light up with every warning it could think of, knowing this fuse is out, but I was able to drive the car.
Whoa! Good thing I got glasses on. Wow!
As you can see, this car just spins. The all-wheel drive system seems to work as power is getting to the rear wheels, but the moment that wheel has no traction, it will just spin. This is what I mean by Subaru is smarter than the driver. I had no indication as the driver that I was about to lose traction until the sound of spinning tires and smell of burning rubber. Hope this helps someone out there. Thanks for watching.